Tiny Terror, this is no joke. Put that in your mouth. Just give it a little taste.
Why? I don't even know why I'm doing this. Are you doing it?
Yeah. What it tastes like?
It's sour.
These flowers only grow from dog piss. Today I'm with the Club and Tiny Terror. You guys remember them, right? He's on the Benelli TNT and she's on the R1. Yeah, anyway, I got the Triumph back. She's running, everything's tip-top, which is good. The GSX-R is still under the knife. Chaparral has it, but it won't be too much longer before we get that one home. Looking forward to that, for sure. Turns out the Triumph just having a battery issue, which is fine. If you think about it, it makes sense. This bike hasn't left the garage but 3 times in 3 years, so I don't keep it on the charger. So let me tell you what we're doing today. If you guys remember the last week, as a matter of fact, when I was riding this bike before it broke down, I was on a mission to go check. Whoa, those birds almost hit that car. We were on the mission to go find some spaghetti and meatballs from a restaurant out in Irvine. Well, we didn't make it because the Triumph died. To be honest, we did get our spaghetti and it was really good, but I still want to check out that other spot, so that's where we're going to go today. But first, I think we're going to go see Bob. The Club's recording too, and he wants to go down to the Trabuco General Store. Come on. Let's go. Oh, it's some chick. Clearly not interested. I hear McLarens aren't fast anyway. Triumph's way faster, but it's also probably $8,000 more expensive. The place we're going to today, it's an Italian spot in Irvine. It's called Alexandria's. Besides reading through some of the reviews of this place, I don't know much about it. It does look like a fancy pants place, which is why I want to try to hit it at lunch. Here's their lunch menu. It's fairly cheaper. We'll see though, huh? I love the pops. Dude's in the bush taking a piss. He's telling everybody there's a cop ahead. I think he's lying. Hey, what's up? All those times I thought about selling this bike, I'm so glad I didn't. I wouldn't have a bike to ride if I did. I mean, think about it, the current situation, all my bikes are broke. Not this one. I wonder what the holdup is. Everything okay?
Apparently not. She just won't speed up.
Are you cold? Is that the problem? You should totally get out of the street around the corner like that. I'm gonna push you backwards and then just slide in behind the Triumph. You hear that running water?
Yeah.
You ready to go swimming?
Let's do it.
Don't lie.
You wouldn't do it.
A proper river.
Is that always there?
No. You could drink that water, man. It'd be good water to drink. You want to drink the water?
I don't know about that.
Watch out, that stupid Prius is going to run over all our bikes. With their smiley faces going places.
She looks like a Prius driver. What are you saying? Prius drivers are happy people?
No, I'm saying they're emotional. You brought your snorkel, right?
What do I have to do?
Well, you got to go get the ocean goblins. They're right there underneath those raging waters.
They're deep in there. Alright, we'll see.
Go get them. Right, the water's great. What do you think, we're in Canada? SoCal. Get in that shit. Show us the backstroke. Tiny Terror, this is no joke. Put that in your mouth. Just give it a little taste.
Why?
It's okay.
Come on, I need to do it.
I'm gonna get like poisoning from this. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Are you doing it?
Yeah. What it tastes like?
It's sour.
Yeah, these flowers only grow from dog piss. I'm just kidding. I don't know why they grow. I'm just assuming dog piss is one of those reasons. Keep digging, Holmes.
Dude, I'm not gonna be able to get out of here.
I got faith in you. That Benelli, man, I've seen it go up crazy hills. You got it. Like a champ. These dudes are pedaling up this hill. Forget it. You're almost there. This person, come on. This person's driving me nuts, dude. Just all over the brakes. It's like a Prius driver. All right, I'm going around him. Couldn't do it. Just couldn't do it.
Is the Vroom Vroom Dana bracelet still in here from like forever ago?
I think a horse ate it.
Well, I'm pretty sure that he gets the low quality ones. They probably disintegrate, huh?
I would imagine they probably clean it out every now and then.
Doesn't look like it actually. It looks like you're full of shit.
Well, considering this has probably been here for 100 years and there's only about 37 cents in it, I'm assuming they do clean it out.
You come down and they pull out a quarter, we'll go buy a soda.
Yeah, you wait for the store to close. You come in there with your goggles and snorkel, fishing out the pennies. Odd numbers only. Bob, what do we got? Bob's got stuff. Come on, Vanna White. Oh, the horse fell over in the trailer.
What is this? It's a sticky note.
What's it say? It says, hi,
Try to say that.
cha-ha.
That's it.
Bob, I hadn't seen you in a couple weeks. That's what you got for me? Did you look under his cock? Nothing's under his cock. All right, Bob. I don't have anything for you, so don't feel too bad. I'm gonna do this. Espresso and cream.
That sounds good.
Let's do it.
Sorry, dude.
So I kept thinking we were going to a place called Alexandria's, but we're not. We're going to a place called Angelina's.
Angelina's? Okay.
Bob was a little stingy today. He gave me a post-it note with some gibberish in it.
So will you be back?
Bob's my boy. I'll be back.
What do you rate it? 16 to Bush.
Bush.
You want me to put this in your exhaust?
Yeah, let's try it. I can't think of a better thing to try. Crank it! Crank! That went pretty far. Are we ready?
We're ready.
You ready?
You gonna get us there?
Yeah. We're gonna get lost, but
Oh! Remember I told you I think I blew out my fork?
Yeah? Oh no. Dude, that's like hundreds of dollars.
I blew out that side too.
Really?
Yeah. Earlier I jumped a speed bump and I bottomed it out and I blew out my forks, both of them. Alright, so no more jumping speed bumps on the Triumph. I can't win, dude. I can't have anything nice. That's what this comes down to. So I think I picked the GSX-R up on Monday, which means now I have to drop this thing off. They're gonna hate me over at Chaparral. What is happening? You know we live in the great state of California and we're allowed to go around all these cars? Tiny Tara's funny, man. She'll either do 30 miles an hour or 300. She's gotta be gold, dude. I think it's like 55 degrees out and she's wearing a sweatshirt. I'm wearing base layers and all kinds of shit and I'm freezing. Good job, BMW. You did a U-turn and she was turning left.
Really?
Yeah. We lost Tiny Tara, but not too big of a deal because I think the restaurant we're going to is in here. And she already had it programmed into her phone, so we're okay. Where's Angelina's?
Back there. Where you go back, you know how there's a stop? It's right next to the stop sign.
Okay, thank you. Oh shit, it's right here.
Thank you for leading. That was awesome. You should lead every single time.
we drove around the parking lot for like 20 minutes.
No,
That
no,
was
you did a
pretty
good
bad.
job. You gotta start
That
quick.
was pretty bad.
This is where we tried to go last week and couldn't do it.
This is not. Oh, why? Because you broke down?
Yeah. Hi, we want to eat spaghetti. Angelina's. What'd you think, Tiny Terror?
It was really good.
I liked mine. I did. I'll be back. Everything on the table you guys saw? Yeah, 60 bucks.
It's the year I was born.
Spike's too wide. Spaghetti meatballs. Man, I've been craving spaghetti meatballs a lot lately. Shit, we had that last week, didn't we? In last week's video. Any of you guys watching this video that are familiar with Orange County have a go-to spot for spaghetti and meatballs? If so, let me know. Let me know in the comments section. And maybe I'll try it if I haven't already. Yeah. With that, I'm going to end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be one of the first to see it and comment. Huge shout out to the patrons of the channel. You know I love all of you. Taking care of me, man. You guys help me keep these bikes on the road. That is for sure. I mean, you see, I'm breaking shit all the time. Ha. I just can't have anything nice. Anyway, thank you guys. Make sure you support the channel sponsors. Chaparral Motorsports. Someone's got to fix these bikes. The law offices of Henry Dad. Keeps me out of trouble. Voss Helmets. And of course, Louis Moto. Remember guys, support the companies, support us, man. Without them, we wouldn't be here. I promise you that. I'll catch each and every one of you guys next time. Love you all. Later. Oh shit. Just bottomed this bastard out. I think I blew out my forks. Let me know if they start leaking.